YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate a use for the Crane mini truck. So we have a garden tiller and both of the tires are flat, so we have to transport it to a place where we can go ahead and change out the tires. And so I'm going to demonstrate one of the many uses that the crane can be used for. Alright, so that's one demonstration. This tiller probably weighs, I'm going to say maybe 225 pounds. The crane probably, I would say, is rated at maybe 500 or 750, depending on what kind of work you're requiring. To winch the cable up, it can probably lift 1,000. To do what we were doing, lifting up like this, maybe 500. And it just depends what kind of articulation you're doing. But a very functional piece of equipment for sure. And so there you go. So we wanted to demonstrate what the mini truck crane is capable of doing. Thanks for watching our video.